Hello everybody, this is Miss Viv and now we're going to sing two little Dicky birds. Show me a bird. Very good. And show me two. Very nice. Can you show me a wall? Yes, that's how you show me a wall. And how do you fly? Fly, fly. Very good. And one more thing you need to know is sitting. Sitting. Alright, ready? Let's begin. This is Sing Along with Miss Viv and this is Miss Viv. Are you ready? Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One called Peter, the other called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a hill. One called Jack and the other called Jill. Fly away, Jack, and fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Very nice. Let's do it one more time. Begin now. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a wall. One called Peter, the other called Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little Dicky birds sitting on a hill. One called Jack and the other called Jill. Fly away, Jack, and fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, and come back, Jill. Very nice. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe and tell your friends about us.